You think you're solid, right? Well, what if I told you you're mostly nothing? Let's dive in.
Okay, so we all know everything's made of atoms, but what's inside an atom? The answer is shocking. It's 99.999% empty space.
Yeah, really. To put that in perspective, if an atom were a huge stadium, the nucleus is just a tiny cricket ball.
Right, so how on earth did we figure that out? It was a real detective story. Our understanding evolved in huge leaps, with each scientist building on the last.
Rutherford found that tiny nucleus, but it created a new mystery. Why don't electrons spiral in and crash?
Exactly. Why don't they just collapse? The answer came from an idea that changed physics forever. It's called quantization. Basically, electrons can't just be anywhere. They have to follow super strict rules. Niels Bohr laid down the law with 3 simple rules that finally explained why atoms are stable. And get this, when an electron jumps down in orbit, it releases light, a tiny flash of energy. And the size of that jump determines the color of the light. It's like a unique fingerprint. Okay, let's go deeper, right into the nucleus. This is where things get unstable. This instability leads to radioactivity. It's just the atom trying to find balance by shedding particles. And not all decay is the same. Some particles are stopped by paper, others need thick lead. But with all that energy, what holds the nucleus together? You probably know the answer. Yup, E equals mc squared. It tells us mass and energy are basically the same thing. Here's the trick. A tiny bit of mass goes missing when a nucleus forms. It becomes pure energy. And we can release that energy in 2 ways, splitting atoms apart or fusing them together. So what's the big takeaway? The rules of the atom are the rules of the entire universe. We cracked the atom's code. It makes you wonder, what other huge secrets are out there waiting?